everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the early dropship versus Shopify. Which one is the better option for you? By 2024, the e-commerce business is expected to be worth 600 billion. Although this might be an unbelievable number, it does demonstrate that internet retailers stand to make a lot of money in the business. There is no denying that, given the fact that there are over 10 million online e commerce stores, and any e commerce store owner who does not employ software solution may easily be found online. Using e commerce software has made it easier for online merchants to run their businesses and make more money. Both Alidropship and Shopify are excellent options if you want to get into e commerce. So, in this video, we are going to compare Alidropship versus Shopify, and it's going to help you to make an informed decision about your preferred e commerce platform. Firstly, what is Alidropship? Using Alidropship, consumers can drop ship products from AliExpress online marketplace, as the name implies. If you're a dropshipping expert or rookie, Alidropship makes it easy to get started by streamlining every step of the process. It's interesting to note that early dropship works with WordPress CMS, the most widely used content management system in the world. Aside from this, early dropship is fully integrated with WooCommerce and other key WordPress themes. Dropshipping products from AliExpress can then be used to populate your product database. There is a product database of over 100 million AliExpress dropshipping products selected by their team of specialists on Alidropship. In addition, the Alidropship Chrome extension and WooCommerce plugin both allow you to instantly source high performing AliExpress products from both of these sources. Using Alidropship, you can either DIY using the plugin or order a custom store and have an online dropshipping business up and running in no time that is built by their team. There are also many add-ons that you could use. Alidropship differ from other e-commerce platform in that it comes with a wealth of information and guidelines to help you get started with dropshipping right away. Now, what is Shopify? Shopify was launched in 2004 and now has more than 1 million users, making it one of the most popular e commerce platforms. This platform allows you to create an online and offline store. WordPress is a platform that many bloggers rely on. Shopify is used by store owners. You can use Shopify POS or your own website to sell online or in person. There are options for everyone with this e-commerce website builder, from novices to seasoned online merchants. Templates, versatility, and user friendliness set it apart. You don't need to know anything about technology to utilize Shopify, even if you're not tech savvy. Shopify's tools are handy for both online and physical businesses, so it's a great choice. A good example of this is Shopify's POS app, which offline retailers may utilize. No matter if your products are dropshipped or not, you can sell and send them using Shopify. Alidropship versus Shopify. It's a feature, functionality, cost, and more comparison. Setting up Alidropship will be different depending on how you plan to utilize it. The Alidropship WooCommerce plugin allows you to link your existing WooCommerce store to the Alidropship e-commerce platform. The DIY plugin requires you to make changes to your e-commerce store from scratch. Furthermore, Alidropship in WordPress compatible, allowing you to rapidly get your online store up and running. For customized online stores, the Alidropship team needs up to 25 days to design everything. It's not difficult to get everything set up in the end. Now, Shopify. Creating an account on Shopify is the first step in getting your store up and running. Shopify will construct your online store in less than 10 seconds once you provide your registration information and click Get Started. In the next step, you must complete your company profile, and then you may decide whether to use Shopify software to sell online or the Shopify point of sale. You don't need a website to set up a Shopify store. You can start selling right away if you have a WordPress online store set up with the Shopify WordPress plugin. Comments. Using Alidropship, you may create your website from the ground up or delegate website creation to the Alidropship development team. Shopify, on the other hand, allows you to create an online store in a matter of seconds and then begin adding products, description, photographs, and so on. Now, product import. You can import products straight from AliExpress with Alidropship. You can import products from certain categories by sorting and clicking on the import option on the right of your dashboard. In addition, you can use filters such as the origin of the shipment, the destination of the shipment, the shipping method, and the price. Products from AliExpress have been vetted and selected by Alidropship experts and can be imported instead. Once you click on the import button next to the items you want to add to your store, they will be transferred there. Shopify. When importing products into Shopify, you can use CSV files. To import a list of products, simply create a CSV file and upload it from your dashboard. If you want to import, go to your dashboard, then products, and then select import on the products image. You will get a pop-up window to upload your file when you click this link. All items in the supplied file have been added to your product list and are ready for upload. Comments. Although Alidropship offers a direct product import feature, Shopify's CSV file product import option gives you additional options. Virtually any online market can be used to import products. Currency conversion. Alidropship. You can match the currency of your store with Alidropship's currency settings. The US dollar is the default currency, but you can change it to your dashboard if you like. When the currency location switch is active, your client's local currency will be shown automatically. It's possible to add a currency switcher widget to Alidropship's Woo version. This allows your customers to change the displayed currency at will. Shopify. The auto currency converter software on Shopify allows for Shopify currency localization. This app may be downloaded from the Shopify App Store and used with any Shopify subscription. When clients enter your store, the displayed currency is immediately changed to fit the location. Automatic currency switching. A currency option box is also provided for clients to make their own currency selections. You may also compare currency rates with this tool's built-in conversion converter. A code added to your store's URL allows you to manually switch currencies without using the app. Now, what are our comments? Unlike Shopify, which necessitates the addition of an add-on, Alidropship comes out on top because of its native support for several currencies. Then options for shipping. Alidropship. Alidropship has shipping handled by the product's manufacturers. A delivery fee and a product cost fee are imposed on you as an online merchant by the supplier of the goods. It's a relief to know that Alidropship providers typically offer low or even no shipping costs. Shipping charges vary by source, but free shipping takes 10 to 30 business days, while super saving shipping is $5 and take 10 to 20 days. Shopify. With Shopify, you don't have to worry about shipping because they handle it all for you. USPS, DHL Express, UPS, Sendel, and Canada Post are just a few of the companies that provide mail delivery services around the world. The shipping method chosen will be determined by the customer's final destination. It also depends on the carrier and the product's weight to determine how much it costs to ship. The Shopify and advanced Shopify price plans provide you up to 90% discount on domestic delivery when you use shipping discounts. Now, what are our comments? Conclusive. Shopify's shipping service is more reliable because the platform handles all of the shipping logistics. Web hosting. Alidropship. Now, if we talk about Alidropship, even though it's WordPress based, the Alidropship platform offers web hosting. The Alidropship user dashboard resembles the main WordPress CMS dashboard. However, the web hosting options you receive are determined by your chosen pricing plan. There is no charge for the control panel and the bandwidth is unrestricted. The 2000 megabit per second speed is also rather respectable. You can use a single web hosting service to several dropshipping websites. Free anti-DDoS protection is included as well, ensuring the security of your website. Now, if we talk about Shopify, it offers a flexible web hosting solution. As a result, your website's content is quickly transported around the world thanks to a content delivery network. With Shopify, you have the option of using an existing domain name and purchasing a new one. Not to note that Shopify also offers a domain name registration service. Shopify site hosting comes with free SSL certificates and unlimited traffic to make up for these shortcomings. Due to the fact that it's a PSI level 1 certified, their web hosting is safe. Now, what are our comments? Shopify is the winner in the web hosting category thanks to the usage of CDN technology and accreditation as a domain registrar as well. Then inventory management. Alidropship's inventory management plugin is one of a kind. If you want to know when a product is in stock or not, you can keep an eye on its inventories count. Now, if we talk about Shopify, there's an area for inventory management on the Shopify dashboard. You may keep track of and make changes to your inventory in this section. Because all of your products are tracked, it shows a history of your inventory. CSV files are used to import and export inventory files. Comments. Because it allows you to import and export their inventory lists in a CSV format, Shopify takes the prize this time around. Now, payment processing. Alidropship. Using Alidropship, you can pay with a variety of methods, including PayPal and Authorize.net. Each payment gateway has its own rates and fees for credit card transactions as well as subscription costs. Shopify. If you're using Shopify, they will take care of processing credit card payments. Once your store is open, you will be able to accept orders and payments using major credit cards from all over the world. You will not be charged a subscription fee, transaction fees, or for third-party software if you pay using Shopify payments. Your Shopify plan determines the credit card rates you will pay. Then integration of third-party software. WordPress users can connect Alidropship's WooCommerce integration with a plugin. Aside from that, it supports all of the payment channels offered by WooCommerce. These include PayPal and Stripe. And Shopify App Store has all the connectors you will ever need. As a result, you can use Shopify to enhance the functionality of your online businesses by installing a third-party apps. Now, what are our comments about this fact that Shopify has more integration than Alidropship thanks to its app store and more than 100 payment methods? Pricing. If we talk about the pricing, and that's the most important thing, that in Alidropship offers various pricing plans for multiple services. That for basic plan it is $299, for advanced plan it's $499, and for ultimate plan it's $899. And what about Alidropship hosting pricing plans? Its silver plan is $48 per year, gold plan is $86 per year, gold plus plan is $129 per year, and platinum plan is $220 per year. On Alidropship, you may buy ready-made stores, although the price varies depending on the store's owner. In the same way, you may ask Alidropship to create a clone of dropshipping store you want. The cost will vary depending on the store's features. So, what are our final words? Dropshipping platform Alidropship is extensively utilized. However, it has a minimal competition from Shopify in terms of dropshipping services that can be relied on. While Alidropship just supports dropshipping on AliExpress, Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that lets you build an